What's up, guys? If you're watching this, that means that I've started vlogging again. I used to vlog all of the time and I kind of just stopped. I lost all the motivation to do it. I got busy, things happened. And you know, I've been living in California here for 2 years now. So I've been doing so much fun stuff. It's beautiful here and I really want to capture that for YouTube. I also want to capture it just for myself. Like, I'm making this more or less just for myself. So, you know, in 10 years, I can be like, oh, what was I doing in 2023, right? So I can go back and see what I was doing. Also, so I can use my cameras more, be more creative, things like that. So that's the whole idea about starting vlogging again. So today is actually Friday. It's the end of the week. And I'm gonna be doing these sort of like a week in my life type of vlogs. I think that's gonna work best for me. So it's Friday. It's the afternoon now. I've done all my morning stuff. And I have to go shoot a video now for Think Computer, so I'm gonna do that. I might edit the video. I have some more reviews to work on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on all of that. If you're wondering what the shot looks like, here it is. This is my main camera that I use to shoot all the content for Think Computers, and this is kind of the set that I set up. It's actually just a table. My main computer's back here. I have a couple lights. It's super, super easy. I always use a mic as well, so I have a mic under my shirt. That's because there's a road right here that's pretty loud, especially because there's trucks going back and forth. And then, especially today, because I heard them today, Fridays and Saturdays, typically jets, like military jets, fly over here. So it does get decently loud. But overall, I really like this setup. It works really well in here. And I think for like a tech YouTuber setup, it looks pretty good. So for breakfast today, I have scrambled eggs, turkey bacon, English muffin, and a pineapple juice. It's gonna be a fun day today. It's nice out, going to a beach bonfire, which is gonna be a lot of fun. When I left my house, it was incredibly sunny, so I was super pumped about the beach day. But by the time I got to the beach, the clouds rolled in and we didn't even get a good sunset, but it was still nice to get out and hang out with everybody.
What do we talk about?
Yeah, I know.
You're supposed to host this.
You should do like I don't know shit about South America. I don't know where in South America. Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monica. Happy birthday to you. Hey, make a wish. Make a wish. The wax is melting all over the cake. Make a wish and then blow it out.
Can you scoochie Happy birthday!
Use the gift card before I returned. I was like, wow. So I was like,
weekend is winding down and I still have so much to do. So I want to set up my week so I can have a really productive week. That means cleaning this place up because it is a disaster right now. I have dishes to do, I have products to organize, I got all this stuff to do. I'm also have a crock pot going with some meal prep, so I want to get all that done so I set myself up to have a really productive week. So here's my meal prep for the week. Super simple actually. Just made a roast, which I had just had slow cooking all day, and then I just have rice and broccoli, and that's it. Super simple, and the whole reason I meal prep is just to save myself time. You know, I work from home, and I don't want to have to worry about what I'm going to eat for lunch every day. Then I don't want to have to take, you know, half an hour to an hour to cook food, and I don't want to have to go out and spend money either. So this, you know, just makes things so much easier. So it is Monday, which means it is going to be a busy work day. If you're wondering what my drink is every day, it is protein powder. Then I do iced mocha coffee and MCT oil. It is my morning drink pretty much every day. But I have a ton of work to get done, like busy work, to start the first half of the day.
Mondays are typically pretty chill for me, but my buddy Ken asked me to go bowling, and since I hadn't gone bowling in what seemed like forever, I decided to go, and I actually think I did pretty good.
So I totally forgot to shoot a time lapse of the actual podcast. The podcast lasts about an hour, and like I said, I completely forgot to shoot that time lapse. After the podcast on Wednesdays, we do a gaming stream on Twitch. that I will remember to shoot a time lapse of, so you guys can go ahead and see that. But that's pretty much going to round out my Wednesday. It is now Thursday, and it is 3:17 in the afternoon, and I've only just eaten lunch now because I was fixing a massive problem with one of the websites that I run. So got all that done. I have to put together a chair that I'm reviewing for Think Computers. It's a gaming chair, so I'm gonna do that, and then probably just relax and maybe try to watch one of the hockey games tonight. So for dinner here on Thursday, I have some salmon, made a little bit of pasta, and I have some cucumbers.